What's up, everybody? This is Jeremy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an application. It's called Today. It's an application by Second Gear. I've done another one of their applications for you guys several months ago, but this is a cool application to make new iCal events without actually using iCal. It's a much easier way to do it as opposed to using iCal. It's a lot smaller and simpler. So by default it sets in the dock, but I have mine set up in the menu bar because I really like to keep my dock icons to a minimum. So this is the interface right here. It's really small and simple. It shows the current day when you open this up. You can add a new event right here. You can name it, you can set a location, you can put which calendar you want that on. You can set that this is an all-day event, which is usually what I do just because I'm lazy and I don't like to put the times and stuff. But you can set specific times and dates. You can set your alarms, which I'll show you all these in a minute, how these are set up. Then you can set notes over here. Then you can create the event when you're finished. Same thing for tasks. You can set up these specifically. You can set up priorities, alarms, notes, same thing here. Right here you can print, and then here are your preferences. General, you can launch this when you first log in on your Mac. You can set menu bar instead of a dock icon, which is what I did. Default it is dock. Window level, you can keep it on top of other applications if you want. And then you can set a window transparency here and a global hotkey, which I think this just pops up the main user interface. Here you click on the little question mark and it gives you some help about the application. You can go to the support site or you can close the application from here. Here you can check which calendars you actually want to appear, which I would use all of them just because it's probably the best idea. Tasks, you can sort these by due date, calendar, title, or priority. You can show tasks with due dates in the next, anywhere between today and the next month. And you can show tasks without a due date, or you can turn those off. Now your alarms, you can set these up. These are the ones that are here by default. 5 minutes all the way up to 2 days before an event or task. You can set it up as a message or an email. You can name it here. If it's an email, you can set which email you want it to send to. You can have it show however many minutes before, days, hours, however you want to set this up, and you can play a sound if it's a message. Obviously you can't do that with an email, but and you can add more of these in here, but these are just the ones here by default. You can have it check for updates now. You can have it automatically check for updates when you start this application, and you can send anonymous user or system information, which will help them make the application crash less and stuff like that later on, even though I've not had it crash at all. Here's the license where you'll put your registration information will be stored, and you can purchase a license right here. Right now this link, when you click this, it takes you to a web page that's not actually a web page anymore, so you would want to go to their actual website, and then from there you can follow it. And then here it just tells you a little bit about the programming and documentation, the toolbars, basically who made different parts of this application. And then down here is where you can actually click to go to the website. And you can buy this right now for $15, which isn't too bad at all. Look up here, and that's actually pretty much everything because there's no menu bar options or anything like that. It's all in your preferences. So it's a really simple, easy to use application. Definitely easier to mess with than iCal. I definitely like it much more than iCal, which is why I wanted to do a review on it, because I wanted you guys to see something that was a lot easier to use than iCal, a lot more organized. And actually I probably won't even need iCal anymore, so I'll just hide that off of there. But definitely a cool application. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.